Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Daniela, and today I'm going to show you how to change the threads on a serger. This video is not about how to rethread the whole serger by going through each and every individual step. It's more of a quick and easy way to change the color of threads prior to starting a new sewing project. I'm going to be working on an industrial serger, but this method will work on any type and brand, no matter the number of threads it comes with.
Start by cutting the threads close to the cones. Replace the cones with the new color you're going to use. Then chain the old and the new thread together by making a knot. Make sure that the knots are tightly secured. We are going to pull the threads later, and we don't want to accidentally pull the thread out and unthread the machine. There are several times I completely forgot to tie the threads and I had to rethread again. We are working on a 4-thread industrial serger, but this trick would work on any brand of serger with any number of threads. Now that we have all the threads secured, let's rethread the serger. Lift the needles and remove the presser foot out of the way. I'm going to start with the left needle. I'm releasing the tension by pulling the tension discs out. Depending on the type of serger you are dealing with, release the tension by turning all the tension dials to 0. Then I'm going to repeat with the right needle. Once I'm done with the needle threads, I'm going to cut after the knots. Repeat with the looper threads. Once the new threads are out, cut after the knots and the serger is already threaded. There are some things left to do. First, thread both needles once again. Then, holding the new threads, make a bit of a seam so that the chain is formed and there is no empty seam at the beginning of your project. Bring the presser foot back at its position and you are done. Don't forget to set the tension back as it was.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY and sewing videos. And until next time, bye!